Hey Wes.
Hey Grandpa. So I just got this package in the mail from Hibbett.
A gift from me?
No, it's for me. But
Okay.
so, what do you think about Air Jordan shoes?
Some of them I really like.
Yep.
Some of them not so much. Yeah. Some of the newer ones I don't really care for.
The newer ones you don't like?
Yeah.
Well, these are a pair of Air Jordans.
Okay.
Actually, these are a pair of Air Jordan 3 Katrinas. And let me tell you a little bit about it. Whenever you bought them, part of the money that you paid with would go towards the Hurricane Katrina victims. Now they're just like labeled like Air Jordan 3 Hall of Fames because like Hurricane Katrina.
Okay, I can't wait to see them.
Yeah. All right.
I have a flood of emotions right now.
Okay. Oh, wow. I hope I didn't cut the other. Okay. Oh, all right. Boom. Okay. There we go. So, Grandpa, as you can see, this is the regular like Air Jordan box.
Right.
All right. And probably like it's all messed up on the top. It's like a little bit lopsided. But like it probably like was messed up whenever the guy was coming over here. Just saying, if you see shoes on the Hibbett website, that does not mean that they're gonna be at the store. I learned that the hard way. So this is a regular Air Jordan box. I mean, as far as boxes go, it's pretty okay. It's got like the elephant print stuff on it. Grandpa, what do you think about it so far?
So far, the box is awesome.
All right, let's do this. Oh God, that was the worst. There we go. There we go. What do you think about that, Grandpa?
I think they're really cool shoes. I really do.
Really?
Yeah, I do. I really like them.
All right. It's got the elephant print on the sides right here. On the back, it has the Air Jordan Jumpman symbol. It's white leather. I don't know if it's real leather or not because like it would have been more expensive if it was.
It's probably not real elephant skin.
No. It's elephant print. Like that's the style.
Oh, they didn't. So an elephant didn't have to lose.
No elephants were harmed in the making of this shoe. I really like the gray and the black and a little bit of black in the
red.
The white and the red.
Red accents are nice touch.
Mhm. And where the laces are right here is red. It comes with a little keychain, which is pretty cool. I Jumpman symbol on it. And then it's got like the little air pocket in the back. It's pretty deep in there. I can't even get my finger. Okay, anyway. On here, it's like the typical Air Jordan like bottom kind of. It says Jordan on there because like he's got to endorse his name. It's got the stars on the bottom. So if you guys are like, oh, are those spikes? No, they're stars. These kind of look pretty bulky, but like, oh, there's another shoe in here. I forgot. These look kind of cool.
How much do these shoes cost?
These are $190.
Say that again. Slower.
These are $190. But if you're ordering them from the Hibbett website, they cost about $204.
Oh, yeah, that's way too much.
What is the maximum amount that you would be willing to pay for a shoe that you really liked?
$20. Do you know what my first pair of tennis shoes cost?
How much?
They were Converse All-Stars, and they cost $8.
Do you know how much a pair of Converse All-Stars cost now?
$9.
No, they cost like $50. So, oh no, I think these look pretty cool. I would recommend these for winter, to be honest, because in this part, on the part where like your ankle is, it's like all fuzzy and stuff. But like on the inside, it's not.
Who do you think determines what the shoes are worth?
Who's endorsing them and all.
So you would give this a thumbs up?
I would definitely give these shoes a thumbs up. So Grandpa, on a scale from 1 to 10, like a 10 would be like a king and queen would wear them. A 1 is like ripped up, dirty, like destroyed Walmart shoes.
I would give them a 9. Really cool looking shoes.
They're pretty cool looking.
And if I were 14 years old, I'd probably wear them.
So that is the end. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And this is my grandpa, and I hope that he can be in some other videos. Make sure to like and subscribe, and if you really like it, share with your friends.
So are you going to bedazzle your shoes?
No, I will not.
Oh, just wondering.